So how do you share keynote presentations on iPad? Let's get started. So if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. So whenever you are working with your files like this, you have the ability to be like directly inside of the Keynote app, and you have the share button in the top portion of the display, right? So in here in the top right corner, we have the share button. And essentially, you get to pick between a collaborate and a send a copy. And this is kind of important because if you want other people to just like also work on that presentation, choose collaborate. But for most cases, it should be set to send copy, right? So when you have the send copy, you can just use the methods right away. Like you can, for example, attach it to your emails and send it right away, share it this way, right? You have plenty of different apps which you can use, like you can upload it to Google Drive or whatever, but also the most or a good option is to click on the export and send, which lets you specifically pick a different format for your presentation, right? So you might decide that it's going to be in the PDF format or in the movie, right? Or depends, right? So there are plenty of ways how you can make it work or how you can share it from the iPad. But that's kind of how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials in the future.